You will amaze on the last one. But first, like and subscribe if you love money madness. If you don't like boring stats but love insane paychecks, stick around. Let's count down the top 5 highest paid athletes of 2025, from 5 to 1, ranked from wow to jaw-dropping. Ready? Let's go. Starting at number 5. Number 5, Lionel Messi, $135 million. The Messi effect is real. He's reshaping MLS with massive on-field impact. Off the pitch, $75 million in endorsements and new businesses boost his haul. He's even launching media and drink brands. Big money plays. Fans and merch spike valuations everywhere. Sliding into number 4. Number 4, Dak Prescott, $137 million. Dak's massive payday comes from a record NFL extension and clever timing. He restructured his deal to collect 2 seasons of paychecks in one window, plus big endorsements. Jordan, Lowe's, and more add off-field cash. That's how Dak lands at 4. Now for the podium, number 3. Number 3, Tyson Fury, $146 million. Despite a tough year in the ring, Fury's paychecks still pack a punch. Big fight purses plus media deals and a Netflix show boost his take. High-profile fights in Riyadh added extra payday power this year. On-field or in-ring cash, huge. Runner-up coming up in number 2. Number 2, Stephen Curry, $156 million. Curry's on-court salary is big, but endorsements and equity really push him up. From sneakers to startup stakes and media projects, he's diversified smartly. His off-field haul is roughly $100 million. Serious stacking. And now, the biggest paycheck of them all. Brace yourself for number 1. Number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo, a jaw-dropping $275 million. Ronaldo's on-field pay alone, $225 million this year. He also earns from endorsements, investments, a new film studio, and huge social media reach. Ronaldo turned his channel into a broadcasting platform. Hundreds of thousands tuned in. Historic records and global reach, that's the recipe for $275 million. His deal in Saudi, huge wages, and off-field empire made this possible. You're amazed, right? Quick recap, 5. Messi, $135 million. 4. Doc, $137 million. 3. Fury, $146 million. 2. Curry, $156 million. 1. Ronaldo, $275 million. Ronaldo tops the list. A full financial era in 1 year. If you love this countdown, hit like and subscribe for more sports money madness. Which payday shocked you most? Comment below and follow for daily rankings. See you next countdown.